Hello, thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. I want to talk about doing shutters on doors. There are three different primary styles that we call track systems. This one is called bifold 180, and I'll show it to you in a second, but just so you know, it also has various bifold types. Ones like closet doors that swing out, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. And then we also have bypass track systems, so they slide by one another. This though is bifold 180. It's made by Norman Window Fashions, and I want to show you how it works. It's really great because, as you'll notice, there's not a lot of room between here and here. It's only like, I don't know, 18 inches, 20 inches, something like that. So when we did the original design, the customer was concerned that, if we've got it sticking out here all the time, it's going to be a problem. And they also did not want to do this. They wanted it wide open when they wanted to. So this is the bifold 180. The first thing you need to do is close your louvers because it's designed to fold into the next piece. So you close it up, and then it has little handles. There's one right here, and there's one right here, and you probably just saw the picture that I shot of them. And you just grab it and watch how it works. It opens like a folding style shutter, goes right to that point where whoops, I'm going too far, where the traditional shutters go, which is kind of roughly here, but this one now folds off completely to the side, leaving a lot of openness here without any kind of difficulty walking past this, like for the dining area. The other side, same thing, slides over, slides over. And so now the beauty of this is that you've got this fantastic openness. This is a Tahoe home, so they want to look outside, and the snow is so high right now you can't see the beautiful view that's out there because it's of a meadow, but that's why they wanted it open. So if you're interested in something that folds off to the side, the bifold 180, that means it goes from this to this, the opposite direction, and they also make it at a 90, but that's projecting out. That's perfect for some situations, but that's exactly what they wanted for here. So if you are looking for a shutter for your windows, and let me just show you how it closes as well. You take it to that straight out position and then just pull it to its point. Same thing on the other one. Makes it really easy. And something I forgot to mention, which I think is interesting, is magnetic catches, so it comes together really smoothly and even. Thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.